Hey friends, if you wish to run troubleshooters in Windows to resolve problems, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure, but I need to tell you one thing before we move further. Earlier troubleshooters had a different role on the system. Now, a few troubleshooters retain that role, but other troubleshooters do not work. They will simply redirect you to the Get Help app. Let me show you. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot and then select Other Troubleshooters. Now, if you try running the audio troubleshooter, what does it do? It redirects you to the Get Help app. Just look at this. So, is it any useful? No. And as for the Windows Update troubleshooter, it will start detecting problems and solve them if possible. And as for the this network and internet app, again, now this redirects you to the Get Help app, but at least it helps you tell whether you are connected to the internet or not and gives you certain resolutions. So yes, this is somewhat useful. As for the printer troubleshooter, again the Get Help app. So this is the status of troubleshooters these days. They aren't as effective in most of the cases. As you can see, it is simply redirecting to the Get Help app. They said that they will remove these troubleshooters completely, but they haven't removed them till now. So you can use them if they are possible, if they are useful. And yes, I do run the Windows Update troubleshooter from time to time to solve issues related to Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.